Hello and welcome to this instructive video of how to prevent coronavirus. In this video we'll show you some precautions to avoid getting infected. First of all, we need to know how it spreads. This virus spreads by contact with an infected person in various ways like coughing, talking, touching, and others. How can we protect ourselves from the virus? The virus is extremely contagious and thankfully our government has decided to put us in quarantine, but we can still take some methods to protect ourselves from home, like washing your hands often. The soap and water kills the viruses that may be on your hands. Avoid touching your face with dirty hands because you can transfer the possible viruses from your hands to your eyes, nose or mouth, and that could make you sick. Clean dirty surfaces, like the last point, viruses may be waiting there, ready to attack. Avoid close contact with infected. You should at least be 1 meter away because if you stay too close you can breathe in the infected droplets, expanding the disease. And if you're sick, then stay home. Just like it says, if you stay home you won't spread it out there, you Wear a face mask. Face mask is only necessary when you have the virus, and if you have the virus and don't have a face mask, then cough like Batman. That way you can cover your cough in a peak performance. You may not like it, but that's how it looks. If we all take care of ourselves soon enough, we will go back to our regular lives. By the way, if you have been to China, South Korea, Italy, Japan, United States, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Arab Emirates, you should see a doctor.